Number 4, multi-paradigm programming refers to a programming language that supports the object-oriented and procedural programming paradigms. As we have seen in the previous slide, Python does support this. Number 5, structured programming. A paradigm that reinforces the fact that Python programming language syntax makes use of specific keywords and techniques that help to facilitate the building of a structure in each Python script that exists and hence in the entire programming language itself. For example, a programming language does not differ largely in comparison to the languages that we speak. And just as we have to place certain words and phrases in certain statements and use cases, similarly, Python programs require keywords to be used in a way in which they complement each other, hence retaining structure and understandability of the language, thus maintaining smooth flow and readability. Number 6, event driven programming. Every Python script is compiled from top to bottom, left to right. This reinforces the notion that particular keywords that are encountered in particular instances of a Python script may cause the flow of the script at that particular instance to be overrode and may result in certain blocks of code being temporarily skipped, hence passing over the lines of code. This is the notion that event driven programming aims to drive home. A relatable example would be the process of driving a car. Certain situations require that we temporarily skip a process and see to another before we continue the initial process. For example, when driving a car and upon reaching a decline, I assume one would not accelerate. I know I don't, but rather focus on and apply brakes. With that being said, due to the event or situation we are faced with, we have temporarily skipped over or passed one process and focused on another, upon which reaching flat ground we proceed to continue acceleration. End of main Python paradigms. Thank you.